Hi there, Michael Eskin here with a demonstration of the abcjs-eskin website builder as well as the website theme builder. I've added a feature to the theme builder that will automatically create a custom theme for you just by pointing it at a JPEG or a PNG image on your system. So first I'm going to show you building a website here of some BC box tunes that I've put together with basing chords. And I'm just going to use the default Irish pub song style, so I'm going to just build this. And we'll look at it, and you'll see that it's using this Irish pub song style with the shamrocks and the green colors and this sort of a color scheme. But let's say instead what I wanted to do was to have the color scheme be the same as a gray Paolo Soprani accordion. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to launch the website theme builder here. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just load a theme. So we'll just load the default Irish traditional music theme. You can load any of the existing preset themes. And now I'm going to click on Generate from Image. And then I'm just going to point it at a picture of a gray Paolo Soprani accordion that I have on my system. And you can see that it's looked at this picture, analyzed it, and it's put all of the colors from that image into the theme. And I can edit these if I want, or I can swap them. So if I want to go dark to light. And then I can actually view this full screen so I can see what this would look like. And it looks like it's going to put these ornaments here, so I'm going to take those out, get rid of them. So it'll look like this. And then all I have to do is just say save theme file. And we'll call this Paolo Gray. Now I can go back to the website builder, and I can go into the website settings, manage settings, and I can import custom theme, and I can point it at the file that I just created. And now I'm going to build that website. And you'll see we have a website now that has the colors from the Paolo Soprani accordion. Let's do another one. I have a very bright red Vandera accordion. So I'm going to generate from image. I'm going to point it at the image here of the Vandera. So it's pulled all these bright carmine red out here. And I'll go ahead and save that one. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to give the theme a name here. So I'm going to call this one Vandera. And I'm going to save the theme file. It's going to save it as vandera.txt. Go back to the website builder. And this time, instead of opening it, I can just drag and drop that theme directly on the tool. You can see that it's changed the theme here to custom Vandera. And I'll go ahead and build that one. And so you can see now we have a carmine red influenced Vandera looking website. So I'll do one more here. I have a picture from our local Japanese gardens of a flower. So it's brought it in, it's analyzed the picture, and it's given us this nice theme here. And I can edit this. I can, for example, swap the begin and end colors for the gradient. And let's say I want the start color here to be a little bit darker. I can actually just click anywhere on the image, and then I can click in any field and I can just paste that value. And you can see now we get a little darker start, or let's say I wanted even a little darker than that. I could just click, let's say, in the darkest part here, and then we'll just paste that into the start. And maybe I want a darker green here, so I'm going to just click in a dark green area here, and I'll just paste that into the end color there. And here's our final gradient. And I can again look at it full screen, see what it looks like. And I definitely don't want the shamrocks because this is supposed to be for Japan, so we'll turn off the ornament. Here's our final theme. And we'll go ahead and give this a name. We'll just call it Japan. And I'll save it. We'll call it Japan theme. Okay. Go back to the website builder. I'm going to go ahead and open up that theme. And it's going to be in my downloads directory, and it's just going to be called Japan theme. We'll apply it. You can see the styles custom Japan, and now we will export that website. And you can see now we get the new website with the custom theme from the original photo. So a very cool new feature available in the theme builder. You just point it at any picture. It'll give you a great starting point. And again, you can go into any of the menus here and you can edit any of these colors and dial in exactly the colors you want. Let's say you don't want these numbers here to be that green. You could click in the pink there and then just paste that into that value here, and then you see these all turn pink, and you could export that.